Alright, so I have currently the iPhone leather case, and decided I want a little bit more protection, so decided to go with the Otterbox Symmetry. Decent protection. Honestly, you don't need any more than that unless you're gonna drop your phone from like more than 20 feet or something. So pretty simple box. It's one of those that just you can open and close it. Alright, so not much to it. So there you have it. I have a glass, tempered glass screen protector as well. Don't need any. I really don't need it with this case, but just adds that additional protection. The raised lip is good, even with the glass on it. There you have it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I should do a quick comparison. It doesn't add too much bulk from the leather case. Stand it up side by side, make sure it's all the way on one side so you can see how much in height and width. So I'm gonna place it on. So you can see this is pretty much how much it extends, not too much out. Make sure I got it in the corner there. Rough ideas, doesn't extend out too much. More so in height because the bottom is a little, as you see. And there you go. And yes, wireless charge still works.